Question number 11. Find the derivative of the following. 11 to first part. X minus 1 upon root x whole power 3. Let's find what? D by dx of fx. D by dx of this function. So f dash x you have to find. So what is it? D by dx of x minus 1 upon root x whole power 3. How will you write? D by dx of x power n, that is what? N x power n minus 1. At the place of x I have what? X minus 1 upon root x. So n x power n minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1 upon root x. We have to do this also, d by dx of this function. So how will you write? 3x minus 1 upon root x whole power 2 into d by dx of x minus 1 upon root x. So d by dx of x minus d by dx of this root x. Down is x power 1 by 2. Up it will be what? X power minus 1 by 2. So you will get what? 3x minus 1 upon root x whole square into d by dx of x, that is what? 1 minus d by dx of x power n. N x power n minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Is it clear? So you will get 3x minus 1 upon root x whole square. 1 minus minus is what? Plus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? 3x minus 1 upon root x whole square into 1 plus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. You will get 3x minus 1 upon root x whole square 1 plus 1 upon 2 x power minus 3 by 2. So I can write 1 upon 2 x root x power 1 x power 1 by 2. It is what? X power 3 by 2. This will come down, x power 3 by 2 down. So I am writing x root x1 plus 1 upon 2x root x 3x. So I can write 3. This a minus b whole square. So x square plus 1 upon root x whole square, that is what? 1 upon x minus 2 into x into 1 upon root x. 1 plus 1 upon 2x root x. So you will get 3x square plus 1 upon x minus this root x. So it will be here root x minus 2 root x. 1 plus 1 upon 2x root x. So you will get what? 3x square plus 3 by x minus 6 root x. This I can write 3x square plus 3 by x minus 6 root x into 1 plus 1 upon 2x root x. Now multiply this. First I am multiplying this 3x square with this. So 3x square into 1 3x square. 3x square into 1 upon 2x root x. So it will be what? Plus 3x square upon 2x root x plus 3 by x into 1 plus 3 by x into 1 upon 2x root x minus 6 root x into 1 minus 6 root x minus 6 root x into plus 1 upon 2x root x. So minus, here it is minus 6 root x upon 2x root x. 3x square multiply with this whole plus 3 by x multiply with this minus 6 root x multiply with 1 plus 1 upon 2x root x. 3x square into 1 3x square. 3x square into 1 upon 2x root x. So 3x square upon 2x root x plus 3 by x into 1 plus 3 by x plus 3 by x into 1 upon 2x root x. So 3 by x into 1 upon 2x root x minus 6 root x into 1 minus 6 root x minus 6 root x into plus 1 upon 2x root x. So minus 6 root x upon 2x root x. So I can write what? X 1x cancel. Here it is what? 3x square plus 3 by 2 x upon root x. So I can write what? Root x. It will be cancelled. So here it is like root x plus 3 by x plus here it is x square and x power 1 by 2. x power 2 plus x power 1 by 2. Here you will get 3 upon 2 x power 5 by 2 minus 6 root x minus 2 3 the 6 root x cancel minus 3 by x. So plus 3 by x minus 3 by x cancel. Now what is left? 3 by 2 root x plus 3 by 2 x power 5 by 2 minus 6 root x. So how will you write? 3x square plus 3 by 2 root x minus 6 root x. How will you write? 3x square plus 3 by 2 root x and minus 6 root x. So root x is common. I can write what? Plus 3 by 2 minus 6 plus 3 by 2 root x minus 6 root x. So root x is common. 3 by 2 minus 6. You will get root x. 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 1. 1 6 is 6. 1 to the 2. 2 6 is 12. So root x into minus 9 by 2. So minus 9x root by 2. Minus 9 root x by 2. Is it clear? Minus 9 root x by 2 plus 3 upon 2 x power 5 by 2. Is it clear? 3x square minus 9 by 2 root x plus 3 by 2 x power 5 by 2. Or I can write 3x square plus 3 upon 2 x power 5 by 2 minus 9 by 2 root x is the answer. Now question number 11, second part. Second part, question number 11, second part. X minus 1 by x minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square. So how will you do? Function of x into g of x, fx into gx. How will you write? First, what can I write? This function I can write, and then I can write this function. So I can write x minus 1 upon x. 1 minute. X minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x. Okay. So this I can write what? X minus 1 upon x. This I can write x plus 1 by x. A square minus b square. A is what? X. B is what? 1 upon x. So a plus b. A minus b. So I can write what? X minus 1 by x minus 1 by x 2 times. So I can write x minus 1 by x whole square, x plus 1 by x. Is it clear? X minus 1 upon x whole square, x plus 1 by x. So I can write f dash x. How will you write? This fx gx. So fx d by dx of gx plus gx d by dx of fx. So I will write x minus 1 upon x whole square d by dx of x plus 1 upon x plus x plus 1 upon x d by dx of x minus 1 upon x whole square. So x minus 1 upon x whole square d by dx of x, that is 1, plus d by dx of 1 upon x, that is what? D by dx of 1 upon x means what? D by dx of x power minus 1, x will go up. So minus 1 x power minus 2. N x n minus 1. N is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So plus minus 1 x power minus 2. Minus 1 x power minus 2. Plus x plus 1 by x d by dx of x power n. At the place of x I have x minus 1 by x. So I will write 2 x minus 1 upon x d by dx of this power n, x power n, n x power n minus 1. So n x, that is x minus 1 by x, n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, and this also I have to make derivative of this also. So d by dx of x minus 1 by x also I have to. So I will get x minus 1 upon x whole square, 1 plus minus minus x power minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x 2 x minus 1 upon x to d by dx of that x is what? 1, and d by dx of 1 by x, that is x power minus 1, that is what? Minus 1 x power minus 2, and outside is what? Minus, so it will be what? Plus 1 x power minus. Is it clear? No doubt. X minus 1 by x whole square into 1 minus x power minus 2. Now how will you do? Correct. Now you multiply. Now you see here, this into this, x minus 1 upon x whole square, I will write what, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, that is minus 2 into 1 minus x power minus 2, so 1 minus 1 upon x square I can write plus x plus 1 upon x into 2x minus 1 upon x, I can write what, x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x plus 2 x power 2 minus 2 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x power x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. 1 minute, I will write like this. 2 is outside, x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x, x square minus 1 upon x square. So I can write what, 2 multiply with this, so 2x square minus 2 upon x square multiply with 1 plus 1 upon x, 1 into x power minus 2, so 1 plus 1 upon x. Is it clear? Now you can see multiply x square into this, x square into 1 x square minus x square into 1 upon x square upon x square plus 1 upon x square into 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square into minus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x power 4 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 1 upon x square plus 2 upon x square. Is it clear? Plus 2x square into 1 2x square plus 2x square into 1 upon x square 2x square upon x square minus 2 upon x square into 1 minus 2 upon x square minus 2 upon x square into plus 1 upon x square minus 2 upon x power 4. Is it clear? So x square minus this is what, 1 plus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x power 4 minus 2 plus 2 upon x square plus 2x square plus 2 minus 2 upon x square minus 2 upon x power. Is it clear? Now you can see here minus 1 upon x power 4 here. Here it's minus 1 minus 2. Okay, first I'll write x square plus 2x square, that is what, 3x square. Now x square is okay, plus 1 upon x square plus 2 upon x square minus 2 upon x square. 1 upon x square plus 2 upon x square, that is what, 3 upon x square minus 2 upon x square, that is what, plus 1 upon x square. This is also 1 upon x square plus 2 upon x square, that is 3 upon x square minus 2 upon x square, that is what, 1 upon x square positive. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2, that is what, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2, that is what, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Now minus 1 upon x power 4 minus 2 upon x power 4. So minus 3 upon x power 4 is the answer. Is it clear? Now question number 12, first part. Question number 12, first part. 5 10x minus 3 sin x plus 4x power 3 by 2, 4x power 3 by 2. So you will do f dash x d by dx of 5 10x minus d by dx of 3 sin x plus d by dx of 4x power 3 by 2. So you know constant will come out, d by dx of 10x, that is what, sec square x, minus 3 will come out, d by dx of sin x, that is cos x, plus 4 will come out, d by dx of x power n, that is what, n x power n minus 1. So 5 sec square x minus 3 cos x plus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. You will get what, 1 by 2 plus 6 x power 1 by 2, or you can write 5 sec square minus 3 cos x plus 6 root x also. This is the answer for 12th first part. Now 12th second part. 12th second part. Fx is equal to 1 plus x square cos x. 1 plus x square cos x. So you can do d by dx of 1 plus x square cos x. How will you write? 1 plus x square d by dx of cos x plus cos x d by dx of 1 plus x square. Is it clear? 1 plus x square d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x plus cos x d by dx of 1, that is 0, plus d by dx of x power 2, that is what? 2x power 2 minus 1. So you will get what? 1 plus x square into minus sin x. So I can write what? Minus sin x here, 1 plus x square plus cos x plus 2x power 1. So plus 2x cos x. You will get minus sin x, multiply with this 1, minus sin x plus x square. So minus x square sin x plus 2x cos x. Is it clear? Then this also you can write, or you can write this 2x cos x here. Then you can take common minus 1 plus x square and sin x is common. Minus sin x is common, 1 plus x square. 2x cos x minus 1 plus x square in bracket sin x is the answer. Now question number 13. Question number 13, you can see first part, x square minus 5x plus 6 into sec x to sec x. So how will you write? D by dx of first I can write sec x, anything you can write first, gx or fx you can write first. So I am writing first, f dash x I am finding. So how will I write? X square minus 5x plus 6 d by dx of sec x plus sec x d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 6. So x square minus 5x plus 6 d by dx of sec x, that is what? Sec x 10x. I am writing sec x 10x plus sec x d by dx of this x square, d by dx of x square, that is what? 2x power 2 minus 1 into 2x minus d by dx of 5x. So 5 will come out, d by dx of x is what? 1, so minus 5 plus d by dx of 6 what? 0. So I can write what? X square minus 5x plus 6 sec x 10x plus sec x 2x minus 5. So I can write sec x common, I can write sec x common. Here you will get what? Sec x is common here and here. So I can write 10x x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 2x minus 5. Like this you can write. This is the answer. Question number 13, first part is over. Now 13, second part. Question number 13, second part, you can see x plus sin x upon x plus cos x. X plus sin x upon x plus cos x. 13, first, second part. X plus sin x upon x plus cos x. Fx upon gx, d by dx of fx upon gx. How will you write? F dash x I am finding. So gx d by dx of fx minus fx d by dx of gx upon gx whole square. So x plus cos x whole square. So you will get what? X plus cos x d by dx of x, that is what? 1 plus d by dx of sin x, that is cos x minus x plus sin x d by dx of x 1 plus d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x or plus minus sin x upon x plus cos x whole square. Is it clear? Now you can multiply this x into 1x plus x into cos x cos x plus cos x into 1 plus cos x into cos x cos square x minus x into 1 x into minus sin x sin x plus sin x into 1 plus sin x, plus sin x into minus sin square x upon x plus cos x whole square. So we get x plus x cos x plus cos square x minus x plus x sin x minus x minus plus x sin x minus sin x minus plus sin x minus plus sin square x upon x plus cos x whole square. What will you get? X minus x cancel, x minus x cancel, plus x cos x plus x sin x plus x cos x plus x sin x. I can write what? X common, cos x plus sin x. Is it clear? Plus cos x cos x plus x sin x I used. X cos x plus x sin x. So x is common, cos x plus sin x. Plus cos square x plus sin square x. That is what? Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus cos x minus sin x. This cos square x plus sin square x. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Plus cos x minus sin x. Plus cos x minus sin x. Upon x plus cos x whole square. This is the answer. X sin x plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x minus sin x upon x plus cos x whole square. This is second part is over. Now question number 14. Question number 14, first part, d by dx of, this is the function a plus sin x upon 1 plus a sin x. This is the function. You have to find what? F dash x. So you can write what? 1 plus a sin x, numerator part, d by dx of a plus sin x minus a plus sin x d by dx of 1 plus a sin x upon 1 plus a sin x whole square. You will get 1 plus a sin x d by dx of a, that is what? 0 plus d by dx of sin x cos x minus a plus sin x d by dx of 1, that is what? 0 plus a will come out d by dx of a sin x. A will come out d by dx of sin x, that is a cos x upon 1 plus a sin x whole square. How will you write? 1 plus a sin x into cos x. So you can write what? Cos x into 1 cos x plus a sin x into cos x. A sin x cos x minus a into a cos x. So minus a square cos x minus a square cos x minus plus sin minus into plus, that is what? Minus sin x into plus a cos x minus a sin x cos x, or you can write a cos x into a plus sin x also upon 1 plus a sin x whole square. Is it clear? Plus a sin x cos x minus a sin x cos x cancel, cos x minus a square cos x. So cos x is common, 1 minus a square upon 1 plus a sin x whole square. This is the answer, or you can write 1 minus a square 1 minus a square cos x upon 1 plus a sin x whole square. This is the answer. Now question number 14, second part. Question number 14, second part. Sin x minus x cos x. Sin x minus x cos x upon x sin x plus cos x. Sin x minus x cos x upon x sin x plus cos x. This is the function of x. It is given, you have to find f dash. X you will write what? X sin x plus cos x d by dx of sin x minus x cos x minus sin x minus x cos x d by dx of x sin x plus cos x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. So we'll get here x sin x plus cos x as it is, d by dx of sin x, that is what? Cos x minus, here you have to solve, d by dx of x cos x. So x d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x plus cos x d by dx of x is what? 1. This function into function this. So x d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x plus, once you write cos x d by dx of x, that is 1, minus sin x minus x cos x into d by dx of x sin x. How will you write? X d by dx of sin x, that is what? Cos x plus sin x d by dx of x is what? 1. So sin x into 1, sin x only, plus d by dx of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x. Is it clear? So minus sin x plus sin x cancel. Here upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. How will you write? X sin x plus cos x. Here you will get cos x minus x minus sin x. So here it is what? Minus x sin x. Here minus x sin x plus cos x minus sin x minus x cos x. Here it is what? X cos x. So I can write x cos x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. Now cos x minus minus plus x sin x. Is it clear? Cos x plus x sin x plus minus into plus, that is minus cos x. So cos x plus x sin x minus cos x. I am writing here x sin x plus cos x. Here you will get cos x minus minus plus x sin x and minus into plus minus cos x minus this x cos x I am writing here, x cos x, then x sin, then sin x minus x cos x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. Now you can see here x sin x plus cos x. This cos x minus cos x cancels. So x sin x I can write here x sin x plus cos x minus x cos x sin x minus x cos x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. So how will you write? Now you can multiply x square sin square x sin x into x sin x plus x sin x cos x minus x sin x cos x into sin x minus minus plus x square cos square x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square plus x sin x cos x minus x sin x cos x cancel. X square common, sin square x plus cos square x upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. And you know x square sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1 square into 1, that is x square upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. This is the answer. X square upon x sin x plus cos x whole square. This is the answer. Thank you.